Hi, my name is Richard Saab, and I'm the Vice President Hospitality Assets and Investments at Shakespeare Property Group. Shakespeare Property is a sister company of Prime Value Asset Management, an award-winning boutique fund manager that was established in 1998 and has more than $3 billion under management in equities, income securities, property, and alternative investments. We own 4 hotels: the Pullman Cairns International, the Novotel Cairns Oasis Resort, and the Novotel Sunshine Coast Resort, and Peppers Marysville, all through a back-of-house strategic hub that unlocks performance, efficiency, and cost optimization. Today, I'm standing in front of our latest acquisition in the heart of Darling Harbour, Sydney, the Woolstore 1888 by Ovolo, a heritage-listed freehold boutique asset with historical charm. Having reviewed many opportunities, we are delighted to have secured this boutique high-quality luxury and sophisticated hotel at an attractive price per key, and we believe that it is a compelling opportunity for our investors. A unique offering in a prime position in Sydney, the main tourist destination in Australia, an inner city location surrounded by demand drivers in Darling Harbour Precinct. The Woolstore 1888 is a freehold property that was converted from a Woolstore built in 1888 and today is a sophisticated hotel located in the Darling Harbour Tourist Precinct. It is the 4th oldest of 21 surviving Woolstores in Sydney and is a unique asset with value-add potential. This uniquely quirky establishment incorporates both the old and new perfectly well and exuding historical charm, highly appealing to the boutique and lifestyle travelers. Transformed into a boutique hotel after a $30 million capex in 2013 and a further $3.4 million capex spent in 2015 for renovation and refurbishment. This asset ticks all the boxes. It's in a fantastic condition, in an excellent and central location, and doesn't require any major capital expenditure for us to realize its full potential. With its 5-level sandstone and brick building, it has 90 guest rooms over 4 floors and a 626 square meter footprint on freehold title. Listed at a local heritage under the Sydney Local Environment Plan with accommodation and conference facility. In 2013, the building was extensively refurbished both internally and externally as part of its hotel conversion, costing around $30 million, which included a vertical extension to create 3 additional roof terrace rooms. Transformed into a uniquely quirky establishment which incorporates both old and new perfectly well, ranks high amongst seasoned travelers looking for historic charm with modern luxury and comfort, offering unique experience. We believe that there is scope to improve the asset, but we also think this property speaks for itself as one of Sydney's finest heritage hotels. The hotel has a main restaurant and bar called Mr. Percy, but also offers 4 versatile meeting and event setup and seating options. Boutique and lifestyle hotels often provide authentic or historic experiences, an elevated and personalized service to guests, hence why they usually tend to be small in size. They are unique in nature, unlike the cookie-cutter model that the hospitality industry is generally known for. Boutique and lifestyle hotels are becoming increasingly popular and guests are willing to pay ADR premium for a more unique and personalized experience. Although they provide high-quality service, their relatively small size and limited services, usually small conferencing space, and 1 or 2 F&B outlets, provide a degree of flexibility and they can be managed with very light manning, which offers low operational risk. Sydney hotel market is attractive and has shown a strong recovery since COVID, with RevPAR, revenue per available room, reaching record levels in 2023, which was 13% higher than the same period through 2019. Revenue per available room hit record levels in 2023, reaching $245, up from pre-COVID levels of $216. Since COVID, the Sydney hotel market has led the country in recovery, with average daily rate in 2023 exceeding pre-COVID by more than 20%, despite lower occupancy that is mainly coming from international travel that is still recovering. Occupancy is expected to continue recovering as airline capacity continues to normalize, and Sydney is well positioned to be the major beneficiary. Due to increases in interest rates and the slowing down of overseas capital inflow to the Australian market, opportunities such as the Woolstore 1888 are becoming possible, where we are able to secure a prime asset in a prime market at an attractive price. With its inner city location surrounded by demand drivers, the hotel occupies a prominent position in Darling Harbour, Sydney's mecca for entertainment and waterfront leisure, adjacent to the Sydney CBD. It is 5 minutes walk from the International Convention Centre. It's an extremely attractive location, with Darling Harbour poised to benefit from Mirvac's $2 billion harbourside redevelopment and from state government infrastructure including the Pyrmont Metro train station. Mirvac have groundwork, piling and infrastructure approved, and works are proceeding at pace. The old Harbourside shopping centre has been demolished and groundwork is well underway for the development. Once completed, Harbourside is going to enhance the appeal of Darling Harbour precinct and guest experience with fantastic world-class facilities. Boutique and lifestyle accommodation market rapidly growing in popularity and demand, and offers low operational risk at premium room rates. There is a compelling rebranding potential into one of Accor brands, and this will benefit the investment from our existing SPG Accor operational hub that unlocks performance, efficiency, and cost optimization, but also on the top line revenue with the strong loyalty base of Accor globally and locally, with more than 80 million members worldwide and more than 5.5 million members in the Pacific region. Accor brands will improve performance and efficiency. As a result, Accor Group is expected to take over operations at completion and operate the hotel under its lifestyle boutique Handwritten Collection brand. The hotel is secured at an attractive price per key of around $550,000. If we compare the acquisition to the last 7 transactions that happened in Sydney market in the last 24 months, it is the second lowest of them all. Important to note that the Woolstore 1888 doesn't require any major initial capex, unlike the other hotels that were acquired that in general required major renovations. The hotel requires low capex in the near future, as a significant $30 million capex was spent in 2013 and another $3.4 million was spent in 2015. Plus, the hotel is well maintained. $1 million has been allocated in initial capex mainly for IT upgrade, artwork, soft brand improvement plan, and others. The investment offers compelling returns, cash flow and distributions to investors underpinned by strong Sydney market fundamentals, large operators' loyalty base, and SPG asset management's expertise. Shakespeare Property bought the asset for $50 million and is raising around $27 million in equity from our wholesale investors for a single asset. The fund is expected to generate 16% IRR with around 6% distribution for the first 2 years and 8% plus from year 3 onward. This investment is definitely one not to be missed, so contact us today to learn more on how you can access this piece of history in Sydney.